Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome, guys, to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. You know the thing goes, guys, it's nothing but love and love alone. So please remember to give the video a like. If you reach this far and you haven't liked the video and you haven't liked the last couple of videos, what's going on? You know, please remember to like the video. You know, please remember. From the Westmoreland duty, and as you can see down there in Westmoreland, like, the help is really needed, you know. The help is needed, guys, in any way we can, you know, because it's really been devastated for a lot of people with the Hurricane Melissa, what I've done. And you hear a lot of them speak, so they haven't received, you know, any much help as yet, you know. So let us not sit around and wait, you know, for them to get any help if we can give a help, you know. So anything you can give, we appreciate it. No matter how small it is, we can go a long way, you know. So anything you can give, guys, we really appreciate it, because the help is really needed down there. Not only Westmoreland only, you know. I got phone calls from literally like even St. Elizabeth, St. James side as well, to like place that been literally badly affected by the storm, you know. And there's so much people literally been affected by it, you know. So we're looking to get any help we can get, you know. See if we can raise some donation where we can at least, you know, try to give some families some materials, you know, zincs, you know, plies, anything we can give, you know, if they want to get black, you know, because I think it's the best thing to do right now, you know, just to prepare to never know what can happen, you know, like for the best interests. I know we live in a tropical country, but we always have tropical weathers, you know, always happen. So if the smartest way to get black, you know, and slab roof, you know, just for the future, if anything is like this to really to pop up again, you know, like I think that's the best way to go about it, you know, because trust me, for our next category to come like that, I know I'm said that the country will definitely be panicking if we to hear that something is like that to be coming again to us in Jamaica. As you can see, oh, everything already got done, you know. And trust me, we don't want to see something like this again anymore at all, you know, because it's not a good look at all. It's not a good look. And if you see, how long is it now? You know, it's almost going in 2 months. Yeah, we're going in 2 months. You know, a lot of people still without light, and a lot CM are still without support at all, you know. So now, you know, the overcomers, they never leave my program out. They never stop giving, and they never will, you know. So that's who I'm gonna head to go pick up some care package from them, you know, because they got some barrel that they sent, and they hear and they receive it, so they kind of sort the packages out for me as well. So they already do the packaging, the bagging of the groceries and everything, so I don't have to do that part. So the only thing I'm gonna do now is go and pick up the care package them, you know, see where we can drop them off that's most affected, you know. So so there's other places, you know. Also we have St. Elizabeth as well too, you know. There's other places that we can give a support as well. And my mom, she haven't received her pallet of goods as well too from the wharf, you know. So you know, we're gonna end up in the new year, see them here, you know, before we end up get that, because the way the situation is right now, you know. So a lot of people's stuff has been literally backed up, see them here a lot, you know, at the wharf. So I guess that's gonna be in the new year, you know, before we literally before we receive that. So I guess that's gonna be in the new year before we receive that, you know. So yes, I'm gonna head up towards Papi now to go and pick up these care package, you know, to think which area we're gonna drop them off to. you know, or if we're gonna head back to Westmoreland, or I think we might, you know. Blessed love, guys, and stay tuned, you know, and watch what's gonna happen, you know, and see where we're gonna head to. So blessed love, guys. Dream team and team. Alright guys, well, so we just reached here in Papine, just where we're going to pick up the care packages, you know, from the overcomers. You know, as I said, we got 2 barrels of stuff to pick up, you know, because the next barrel and the next box have been reached as yet now. So we're here with Esther, you know, so we're going to use my vehicle and Esther's vehicle as well to put the stuff in the back of it. So we're here with Esther and Shayara is here.
Yes,
Shayara, say hello.
Hello guys.
Now we have Esther.
There's some mechanical work here.
Yeah. So we are crack Shayara, shy egg, you know. Shayara. And we have 30 grand here.
Yeah man, I got my people them man, but they man, all of my viewers them man. You see me I say one dream team man. You see me I say, yeah man, they man out and stunting man. You see me I go put in little work and get some things to go. Do already, you know, you know what we do.
And do what we're gonna do. So in this wonderful, and we have Auntie here. Our lovely overcomers, you know, boom, they are going bodyguard, I make sure say nobody come close, you know. And we here once more, Auntie, you know, cannot leave out overcomers. They never stop, you know, and she will never stop. And now she say Jamaica is in need, you know, especially on the countryside, you know, with the care package them, and she reach out and say, you know, Jamaica need the help. So here we are.
Here we are. Yes.
Blessings from her as usual. She never stop blessing us. So
can't stop.
Can't stop. You know, can't
Yes,
stop at all. So we have Esther there saying afternoon.
Hi, Esther.
And Shayara.
Shayara.
Our name is Shara.
Shara.
We put on the Shay on it, so because call her Shayara.
French time this?
Yeah, put that in your food. Hey.
Yes.
Oregon.
Put that in your food. Cheese, smell good.
I miss you, you know. Come and see every day I go per river. And when you can't cross the water.
Yeah.
If I walk in there, we're not for jump, can't walk in there.
So I'm to your river around here.
No, this is not the house, the other house.
The other
up
one.
the river. Yeah.
So the river never come that side here?
No, The river the way down the side when you come and look the river. Way over this.
Oh, we over the next side?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we that side from up there. So
River view.
river, right.
Exactly, river view. So you're younger the hill view
Now we
from
are
here.
16.
So this is it.
Yes, and this one.
And this one, right? So
Yes.
So guys, so everything is already bagged out. Thank Auntie so much. She saved us the work. She said, you know, she's gonna bag them out and put them back in the barrel. See you,
Yes,
you know.
Yes.
So Auntie also wanna give some shout out to contributors, right?
Yes, to Tia,
Big up yourself.
June, Michelle, Beth, Sandy, and
So much. So June. So we have June, we have Tia, we have Sandy,
and
we have Beth,
Michelle.
and we have Michelle. She have my mom name. Big up yourself to Michelle. And who else knows? So if you don't hear your name, we still love you
and thank you same way.
So continue to contribute, you know, because
Yes.
Jamaica need and boy, I don't know
Yes.
when Jamaica recover,
Yes,
but
we
it's
need
gonna take
it.
time. But time is what we have, you know, because we still here same way.
Yes.
You know, say, and if you see anyone you want to help out with some material, get them to zinc, get them to plyboard, to before anything you have, is them you want to contribute to us, we appreciate
it a whole lot. Yes, we need it.
Of course, we need it.
We need
for
it.
sure. So,
And Yvonne Barlin, come there, she have she have nail.
hammer, nail, everything.
Yeah.
Who?
My sister.
Okay.
She's here too, now, but she don't. So.
Oh, she done so.
And then she brought them. She have a lot of stuff.
Yeah. You know what we need as well too. I realize some more solar lights and
Solar
flashlights.
lights and flashlights.
Yeah, we need more solar light and flashlight because a lot of them is without light.
Okay.
And they're gonna be out for like, some of them say March, them get promised by March, some say February, some don't know when.
Some don't know when. So you know, think that probably if we could have got the wholesale and your Big Ben there, you know, so probably we can go get some flashlight and then you come and get it.
Yeah, we could have do that as well too. So we can sell a flashlight. How the best place to get them the Esther for a reasonable price?
The world, downtown, the world.
Oh, the world. Solar lights too?
Check it out, Esther. I know you're good for anything.
You can't go town, you know?
Town hectic right
My
now.
birthday,
Oh, girl, happy birthday!
My grandma market downtown, roll.
They took me down to
30 grand. Come in here.
they took me to downtown last week. I'm gonna take me from out here. Too many people.
Yeah. Such down in time of year, yeah.
So this is what one of the care package look like.
Oh, them packages?
Yeah, she save us all the work.
Good.
You know? She save us all the bag, you know. The Shira, when you get saved by her auntie. You know, so them have flour, them have oil, you know, them have rice, them have thin stuff and everything, toilet paper and stuff.
The most things not come.
When they take the island, they put the island, because sometimes...
No man, if they come from America and at the bottom.
Sardine in there and everything.
Because so
Them not gonna leave, that not gonna leak.
eh?
It not
No
gonna
man.
leak. Not
Or
gonna
me
leak.
say them
bring them all this island there, then they put the island.
Who that?
Yeah.
In the dry bar, bring them all this island here.
Okay.
We must sometimes buckle them with.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, we have two spare rice here.
We don't want, because what was left, we just put them in there. I don't know.
Oh. Alright, but open back that bag, like I will see brown rice in that one.
Some of them are brown and white, and some of them.
Yeah.
Because me had help, you know, packing them, so we really know.
Brown
Yeah,
and white.
some of them.
The next one, check next one. Because some are brown and white in them.
And some of them just have white rice. Yes.
Oh, brown and white in them. Okay. So, let them stay. Auntie, we thank you so much. You save us to work. Star.
Yeah. What we did the other day was like,
Yeah, I take them out of the barrel. I see maybe I put the bag up in the Esther car. Put them in the back.
if me get the Herbal before me leave, me not do it down. Me not break it down.
Yes, you're not breaking on the next one.
Nope. It was too much work.
Well, at least you know what the gym you have to go through. You know, at least you see what we have to go through, Auntie.
Yep.
It's not-
These house and then you can't decide.
Yes, at least you see what we have to go through, boy.
Listen, no, me can't do it.
I imagine how much bag out what they almost about 200.
What?
Yeah, 200 kilo package you bring go Westmoreland. 200.
Because some of them get big everything. All the other one have been case of herring and so, you know.
Why, the one will come?
And not like that, no come.
Well, even my mother and stuff them not reach us it.
Yeah.
So we are next year then.
Well, then I go run short. Then we continuous getting
Yeah.
food.
That one with a good work as usual.
Yeah.
Also got macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, man. And a lot of macaroni coming to you know.
Yeah.
The family want everything come.
And just do everything one time, right?
But
You should have count them and see how much.
Just a call.
So we can know how much. What my car. some in my car as well, bro. So when I put too much weight on it, how much I have in there?
Can't take two, take two more, three. Two more. Is it 18?
Yeah.
Oh, that blue rice in it.
Loose rice there as well.
Take my time about if you put the loose rice and then
Bring over my car, Toti. Come, Cross, come.
Hold on.
Come, Sean.
Go on, go on. Yeah, we can't step cross fast, man. You know, we can't step cross fast like this.
So you gonna call them there?
Oh, alright, so.
So far. 15 so far.
Yeah, 15.
So we're going to team up with another girl so she have something as well to some more. And I get some water as well. And them three are
Some power. Eh?
20. Is that
20.
that 21? With that one that we have 21.
22.
No, this is 21.
23 then.
Yeah.
So 41 and 44.
Yeah, 44.
Yes, aunt?
Eh?
I was talking about 50.
Probably we can't call good.
Probably we can go good.
44.
When it?
No.
When you we count again.
Yeah.
Me know say me at 21, but we count again.
Yeah, and no, and it's a good.
Yeah, yeah.
23 them too, yeah.
I start 21. So that's 44. That's 44. Also we're gonna we got some water to collect as well too. From some person that's donating some water. You probably know Hot Feet, yeah? Yeah, you know Hot Feet who always appear in the program. Same have so probably about 10 cases of water as well too to give to us. So we can also put water in the bag. And we have also another content creator with Shay as well, to say she have some care packages as well to where she's gonna come on that trip also, isn't it? So we can just put everything together and go to the destination that we're gonna head to. And plus we have some more clothes as well to bring with us also, you know, so you know it's the festive season. So let's see what I go on.
I take care of mommy most of all. And what's her name again?
Shara.
Shara. Yeah, no, you're gonna make me mess it up.
Yeah, man.
Shara.
Shayara. She named Shayara, man. When she ready to get Shara, she gets Shara. When she come to the shyness.
I'm not tell if we go to mommy, make my call.
Yes. Yes.
Alright. So guys, you know next trip, let's looking forward. So we're gonna wait, so we're gonna get some flashlight and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the people really need some flashlight as well, too, guys. So we're gonna wait on that. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Auntie, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Overcomers,
love you.
nothing but love and love and
Yes.
love.
And Sevilla, shout out Sister Janet.
Yes, big
The
up
rest of the
yourself,
team.
Sevilla.
Yes.
Long time Jamaica no see you. We've been lagging to see you now.
Tell me so she jealous.
No, and she can even jealous more now for no say you there and she not there. Come on, Sevilla. You're not far away, you're only like 4 hours away at least. You know? So hurry up and come. Come on, Sevilla. Alright, yeah, Andy.
Alright, take care.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's where this thing comes, it's the camera on there,
How do I flip it back?
you're so... You have to limbo.
Limbo, it's I'm good.
So big up to my lovely subscribers. That's here to see y'all.
So tell us your names.
I'm Karasha, but I'm Javine. Yes. Like watching Akeynote.
And we have Donna here as well too. What's your name? Yvette. And we have Yvette also. You know, we have a couple, you know, the guys, them always circle to get the lovely stuff, them, the good things them for the body, and the skincare product to make it look smooth and nice for them wife. I have a new video lady right here.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
My name is Angelisa.
Angelisa. So Angelisa, come check Melissa for the good things, them for the skin,
Yeah.
for the glow. Make she look smooth like snow. Yeah. So guys, so we're there on the night market.
Yes, I want to
In place of so it's nothing but love and love alone. So I don't know anything. So yeah. I'm from hello? Yeah? Yeah, I'm coming tomorrow. Alright, so guys, you know, over here busy. It's a busy night here tonight. You know.
Market visit too.
Yeah, it's festive season.
Yeah.
You know, it's festive season. Can you know why? A lot of people gonna come check the Herbal, man, because they know they're gonna eat a lot over the Christmas. So because they're gonna eat a lot over the Christmas, might as well come get them detox and them wash out and them flush out and them splash out.
Then splash out.
Yes, a lot of turkey, a lot of chicken, a lot of beef, a lot of steak, a lot of this. Everyone's gonna be eating. And pork. Don't forget the pork. and the fish as well too.
Yeah.
Why? And who say the Subaru and vegetables?
Yeah, I mean, the upper Kina is right here.
Why?
I know that's why we tell us. That's what I'm saying.
Under the arm, under the breast, anywhere. We need to spray it.
Alright.
And magnesium and sea moss. Sage, lavender. One of those spray that you calm down. I'm going to give you a little bottle of carrot.
Alright guys, so you know the thing going, I'm get some products for my daddy as well. You know my dad is in the UK. I'm thinking with them on the here and it's been a while and I got through this stuff, so I'm not sure if I get some of this healthy stuff to send up with my mom. You know, so my dad can literally get in detox and get all the things done where I'm literally need to speak to Yaya already and tell Yaya what I'm going to say. Yaya got some stuff prepared for him. And then get some rundown to make a little bit more what I want to for him. Well, it's like an old store.
Yeah, brother, I love man. Yeah, man, but
An old store you have for my daddy, man.
yeah, daddy, trust me, daddy, I'll take care of that. Yeah, man, daddy of course, I'm gonna get the detox package. You know, it consists of the adult wormwood, the charcoal, the patch, the colon cleanse, the blood purifier, circulation, immunity detox, the visitor tonic, and you might get also the eye drops. You might get the eye capsules too.
Yeah.
Because tell me say we did eye surgery.
Yeah.
You know, so take out cataract. So I'm gonna give him the supplement with the eye drops. We'll get also a magnesium gel rub. You know,
Magnesium gel work.
yeah, for the pain. Some mucus buster. You know, in it. That also deal with asthma, mucus buster, respiratory issue.
Say word, no more scarf.
It's a package.
I want something new.
It's a good package. And as I said, one more thing, Kino, because you see, if you come in here, you see, all man, all black man, all Jamaican, whether you get any sign or not, prevent it. Once you're over 40, start, take something. This is the prostate tonic. See, we are play around. From you seeing it dripping, from your pee and your drip. Or if you not pee enough, or if you pee too regular. See, and doctors, a lot of time, them actually diagnose like bladder issue, you know, instead of prostate. But anything has to do with that area, brethren, don't say, you go get the test, and also make it be your New Year resolution. See, to start take supplement to support your prostate health. You know, because too much of us. And as I said, one of Jamaica national fruit or dish consists of ackee. Ackee is one of the things that also we have to be careful of the amount consumed, because it also is one of those contributions to the prostate. Because what happens is when the prostate get calcification, that's like corrosion, and that can cause it to swell, expand, enlarge. So we have to be careful of the acidic food. You know. So detox, do your supplements.
So you're gonna see a dead blood.
Don't wait until you see. Don't wait if you not see. Yeah, it's too late, because as I said, prostate cancer thing, too much of it is happening.
There's a lovely taste.
So we're definitely gonna address some food for the prostate later on. But I personally have a good supplement, a good tonic, and I have a good hold on. Okay, so see there. So you have the capsules, and we have it also the liquid form. So you want definitely take care of the prostate. Yeah, man. So, this is the eye supplement. This is eye.
So
This is capsules. So take like 2 capsules daily. So what this also helps? This helps helps with the eye pressure. It helps again, also help with whether you have far or near vision also. And it works really and truly, it works great when you're using the eye drops. And the eye drops as well. Because remember, the eye, you lose the sight is like you lose a lot of, you lose a whole heap of freedom. So this is the eye drops. You know. But we have to definitely take care of the eye, take care of the prostate, man. You know, we are man that speak on behalf of the man. Get threatened, as I said, a lot of insecurity happens.
So the circulation tonic.
That's part of the detox.
Go through fire.
It's Melissa, she just says
For the detox.
That's a busy day.
So it's all take this one.
Instruction, like a tablespoon after meal, like half an hour after meal. So these basically, these will be about when you reach from the 8, 9 days, start taking these because by right, you start with this, the adult
First.
About 7 nights. And also get a foot patch put on at night as well under the foot patch. And then in the morning, at the first part of the day, bamboo charcoal. So in a tablespoon of bamboo charcoal. Yeah, make sure you drink adequate amount of water throughout the course of the day after you drink a tablespoon. Yeah man, so these basically take you into about 8 days, into 7 days, and then you drink the colon cleanse. Yeah, this is the colon cleanse.
So it's going to take the wormwood with
wormwood at night.
every day.
The worm.
charcoal a day.
And the charcoal a day.
Yeah.
And foot patch at night.
Okay.
Right? And then those will take him for about 7 days, 7 nights.
So
on the 8th night, you drink the entire bottle of colon cleanse. Alright? And then the rest start it in the morning. And the night I will take morning and start taking those. I put a cup in here too. I mean a measuring cup. You know.
Two of that on the purifier.
So on the purifier.
And the circulation.
Circulation. Yeah, and the busy beer will be one of
Just like you love mine, so you love it. Don't you know?
yeah, man. And
Just like you love mine, so
one way.
I am
it doesn't even look like it.
Yeah.
And you know your ears just the hair.
Alright guys, so then that's the package for my daddy. Nice.
I know it started like this.
Yeah.
Well, it's
That's the
7
package
when I wait,
order
but
for
7
my
to
daddy.
here we
Can't say
go.
boy.
Lion.
Lot of complication there.
Don't eat the thing
That's
we
what's
give you a
happening when
child.
the
Don't
cook
eat
them
it.
crunch it too much. You know them
You
things
might eat it. Bye, baby. What's his name?
Mike,
Alright, Liz, Melissa. What's your name? Zion. And Kamisha, Melissa.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Guys, I hope you're having a festive season. I hope you're giving thanks for life. And I hope you cherish each and every day and spend all the best time you can spend with family, because you know family is important. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone, guys. So, you know, everything goes well. So blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. So I'm here to give out some donation as well to that we got for some individual members that we get from our extended family. You know, so today I got mission as well to give out some donation. And also I got one for Damari and also Father for the year, you know. 1 and 2 individuals that I'm going to be passing through and give them some donation, you know, while I'm here. Make it happen, you know. So Esther! So we're here to give Esther hers. So we also have some donation for some of the members them, which is we have a list with names as well too. So, and this is from Barbara from Queens. You know, Barbara from Queens as well. So we thank you so much, Barbara from Queens, you know, for blessing the members. And we have 6 names as well too. you know, 6 names till you get donation and everything. So.
Ready now?
Oh ho ho!
Now I can get
Merry Christmas! Yeah, guys, you can see transform quick and fast. Ho ho ho! The Santa is here, so you know when Santa is giving out gift, you have to have my little bun. You know, I never come down no chimney. I walk up the stairs. I don't go down chimney. You know, I walk upstairs. So I'm here with Esther Van Fair.
Santa Claus.
Esther is an elf. Shara is a M and she's a C. So we have L, we have M, and we have C. So here, so I have a list here with some names, donation. 6 names. I have Esther, I have Shayara, 30 grand, Boom, Jackson, and Wow. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So we have $9,000 a year from Barbara from Queens, New York.
Thank you, Barbara from Queens, New York. Really appreciate it. I collected this on my birthday, Christmas Eve. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Drink out later.
Alright, drink out later. We have Shayara, from around in Shayara. You know, one time when she graduated from Shayara, we're going to continue to call her Shayara. Shayara, don't run from the camera, you're right here. So we have $9,000 a year for Shayara from Barbara from Queens, New York.
Thank you, Barbara from Queens, New York. May your food basket never run empty, and I hope you wish to see a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
So you can count it, so it's 9. You make Shayara get nervous and I
9. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the world.
When you start the camera, go run for me. Tell them now.
Yeah.
And it's come out.
Right, Daniela. So Daniela know the thing, right, Daniela? Daniela is shy. Alright. She will get used to it day by day. You know, as time goes by, she will definitely get used to it. So I'm gonna circle 30 grand now. Imagine the name 30 grand, but they might get 9 grand. You know, 30 grand is gonna get 9 grand. And we have Boom, Rasta Jackson, and Whoa. You know, and then we have others' name as well too. Also, we have something from Ava as well too. For younger Dennis, so I'm on there, right? So, the music. Come on now. Whoa! No! The music stop. Music stop, but go got the corner here, son. Come here. Younger Dennis. Shelly, what's Skylar there?
You look like...
And Sams, come here, Sams. Younger Dennis, come here. Alright, so we have Boom here. We have 30 grand here. We have Rasta Jackson. Whoa! Alright, so Boom down the mic. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. You know where the thing goes. So I have my Santa hat. So we have $9,000 a year for you from Barbara. From Queens, New York.
Barbara from Queens, New York. Blessed and one loving and thanks. Thanks. Blessed Barbara.
Yes, yeah.
Blessed.
Alright then.
It's like your rum, look how much I burnt, you know.
No, shall give you rum now, not late like look more, no. Esther so go and sleep. As you touch 9, she go and sleep.
Man, bless after your time, no man. One at a time, man.
You must just give her what you get, Jackson. Jackson, just give her what you get. What me give, just give her what you get. Give her what again. Alright, Jackson here. We have $9,000 here for you. From Barbara, from Queens, New York. $9,000.
Barbara from Queen New York. Yeah, many thanks. I love every time, extended family. Love every time. Yeah, keen alive. Team, big up to yourself every time.
Yeah.
And Barbara, Merry Christmas, all our extended family. Love them every time.
Alright. And we have 30 grand. We have $9,000 worth from Barbara from Queens, New York.
Give a thanks, man, and I appreciate this $9,000. Because they are really nice. See me I say, man, and take your food basket never empty, man. See me I say, dream team, one team. Big up yourself, Barbara.
Yeah. Whoa, you know? Oh, we have $9,000 worth for you from Barbara.
Barbara.
From Queens, New York.
That's my place, John, Barbara. Concrete ox. Boy, I'm not over tell you, you know. Hard work me I do in a Barbara. Enough blessing and holy for love, you know. See me I say, Esther's birthday tonight and we're going to celebrate it. See me I say with some liver and rice and kidney. See me I say, yo, I say 40 Barbara, enough blessing and holy for love. Yeah, see me I say, enough love. Yeah man, because Esther's birthday tonight, you know, Esther will get warm enough. Yeah, but you're not for Herbal and Esther will do it, you know. Alright? Oh! Genius, again, man. Yeah, man.
Mix the liver and kidney together. Give me for younger than these shillings. Shillings. So we have 40 USD as well to here for younger than these from Ava, from Florida. You know, from the Kiwanis, Ava. 40 US, yeah.
Thank you very much, Ava.
Yeah.
Auntie Ava. Blessing, more love and respect and thanks.
So we have Sam and Natisha and Skylar.
Skylar just come here.
How should they? Come. Stop nice. Come, Skylar, come. Come, Skylar, come. Yes, Skylar, we have $10 here for you from Ava. Remember Ava? When I nurse them from the Kiwanis on the Sunrise team, send $10 for you for snacks.
Thank you.
So you can thank Ava. So thank you, Ava.
Thank you, Auntie Ava.
Right then. And Mr. Psalms, we have $10 for you as well. They're from Auntie Ava from the Sunrise team. Kiwanis.
Thank you, Auntie Ava. Make your food basket never empty.
Alright then. Prince, we have 100,000 here for you. I have 100,000 here for you. Yeah. You want it now? I'm for keep it. No man, I keep it, man. You see chain we have? Eh? The king of the earth, you know. What you have on your finger? Wrong thing. Keep stunting, man. Free pan. Where's the one Miss Concrete? Oh, my bill out there, so. This too. Jamelia! What happened? Afraid of Jackson though? Eh? Or Jackson there? Fix up your face now.
You don't smile, you don't too. You could have get in the screw. You don't smile, I want to go on.
Hello. Put a smile on your face. Jamila, good evening.
Good evening.
What's up?
Nothing.
Oh, baby life treating you. You're a mama. Eh? How does it feel to be a mama?
Not bad.
You're putting on some mother weight now. Yeah? That's how it feels to be a mother. When your mother go through it, see mommy there? That's how it feels. But anyway, I got $40 million here for you. What are you going to do with $40 million?
Buy things put in the house.
With $40 million, you're gonna buy things put in the house.
And $40 million upsell.
So imagine you have $40 million. What are you gonna do with it? You're getting shy, you know, with $40 million. Alright then, so here's $40 US here for you from Ava. Remember Ava? Yeah. I always see your face smile up here. So here's 40 from Ava. Hold it. Thank Ava.
Thank you, Ava, for the 40 US.
Auntie
Ava, and may your food basket never empty. Bless up yourself and take care.
Oh, remember Ava. Give thanks, Ava. I really thank you so much, you know. So she can buy put another house with $40 million.
I know, $40 million.
When you use $40 million and buy stuff, put in the house, there's no room to walk.
Yes, space over there.
Yeah, sure.
In there.
Alright, then take it easy, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Like I'm here, I got something for Father for the ear as well too. Which is I'm going to walk and see Father for the ear as well too and give. Now I walk and see Father for the ear as well. Natisha, we catch up then? Yeah. So guys, so you know, I'm going to see Father for the year, you know, also give him a donation as well for him and for Shanette also, you know. So rolling through the trenches in my Santa hat, you know the thing, like I know Santa time, so I'm walking around with my gifts, giving away gifts and things, you know, everything goes already, you know. So here on 2nd Street, which is the next street from our street, which is Bob Marley Street, all right. And then we're going to head to the Mari. Father for the year! Father for the year! Father for the year! I'm not around here.
Vampire!
I'm not in there. Vampire yard green and cool. Father for the year. Yeah guys, well, guys, you know him have a nickname where sometimes here we say vampire. I don't know where him get that nickname from, but that's the nickname that they've called him as well to in the community. Part of the year them call him, I remember this nickname called vampire. You know, that's why I asked him where him get that name from. You know, why them call him back. How are him there?
I don't know.
Alright, so here Father for the year is nowhere to be seen at this minute, so you know we have to catch him back another time. Because Shanette is not also here as well to like go and spend time with other relatives. You know, so it seems like Father for the year is kinda free. Oh, see that come.
Are you a crowd?
Yeah. Oh, we just saw him, luckily. Luckily we just see him. I said she got the road at him and caught the road. Hey, look at that. What's your name?
No, what's your name?
Yeah, so basically he's coming up the road right now. You know. What for the year? Are the first to come here, you're not there here?
Yeah, the sister up in the road.
Okay.
They're trying to sick out, but look at that.
Oh. Yeah, but come here, I'm going to the yard. It's holiday season now. Yeah. And I heard my friend Shannon is not here.
Yeah, she knows she spend some time with Mitch, you know?
You do?
With Mitch, yeah.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
she got the Mitch. Okay,
yeah.
Oh. So Mitch take her away.
Free time day, you know?
Mitch.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Mitch.
Yeah.
And you take her away.
Yeah.
That's good.
Free time day, you know?
Yeah, that's good. One of our extended family, you know, she gonna spend some time with them. Hello, Ben. High five. I know me there. They right there, somebody say Kino.
Yeah, good event.
I'm look, a Ben. They're like, wait, that's the first me a Ben call my name.
Yeah, she'll come on.
Yeah. I'm not even know.
Right, she'll try to push herself forward. I'm glad for it too.
I'm not even know so she know my name, but she probably hear them call it.
No, I interact now and then.
She interact now and then?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, that's good still, you know. Me somebody say, Kino.
Yeah.
I'm like, who that? I'm look, Ben.
She'll come on and she'll ask questions now and then and she feel like.
Yeah, that's good.
Sometimes she cry about no shells, but I feel that's way
Yeah.
Because you can't force him all the time.
Yeah, that's
never I do that shit, so I'm not going to do it right now. Check the braids more where she's going to go.
Yeah, that's true. At least something will come out. Alright, so cause
very emotional about she personality, you see me? Yeah,
so you say my friend gone spend time away.
Spend a holiday with Miss Mitch for 3 weeks too, you know?
3 weeks?
Yeah,
what?
Back one time 3 weeks.
What? Wait there, Mitch. How so long you take her for? Oh, that means you have to
enjoy herself.
Yes, man. I can imagine.
Come call no one from the night.
I never know she'd leave the daddy alone. Because she know why you going away, you know. No. But she want to go somewhere.
Yeah, so now back she does know places right and most. You know?
Yeah, that's good, man.
Can grow her up and make sure they get other people and can experience other lifestyle.
Of course, that's good, that's good. At least you can go and explore, you know?
Yeah.
Spend some different environment. So anyway, so here what happened now, right? So me have alright, this donation me have put down, right? This was to buy bed sheet, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, for Shanette. And this is from Miss L from Maryland. You know, they gave us this to buy a bed sheet as well too.
Yeah.
You know, so this is from Miss L from Maryland to buy a bed sheet.
Yeah.
You know, for Shanette.
Miss L from Maryland, I give a big heart out, you know. I let her give a big thumb, a big heart out here. It's in because you see what I go and I read of Christmas, right? You know, because I'm kind of flat. Come up with it, and Mr. Kino come in and say, Miss L from Maryland. Why, my goes out for where you're looking right now still, yeah? Yeah,
because she don't want us to buy it, but she won't get the chance to do it.
You can do a thing, you see me?
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to do a donation as well too for Father for the Year. Yeah. Shanette, she's not here for Mikey. Yeah. You know, so you're going to receive this for Shanette $3,000.
Yes.
You know, from Mikey from London.
Mikey from London, big up Zane. I'm going to give a big shout out to you, Zane. Big Christmas shout out to you still. Zane, Happy New Year when it comes. See me? Well, I'm here full for you right now still.
Yeah.
Let's keep up the good work and swear. See? That alone I can say to you as a good father. See?
Yes.
So, pleasant day to you still. See?
Yeah. Alright then, give thanks, man. Give thanks. Alright then, so Father for the Year, so big up yourself, you go. Ben!
I'm still a respect for you.
Yeah. Alright then, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Alright then, guys, so blessed
big up yourself,
yeah, man, cool, man.
I'm seeing the hills over there.
Yeah.
Right, people down, so I
down in the Westmoreland there?
Yeah. So I can't do nothing for them still.
But the prayers will work, you know.
Yeah,
once you get the prayer out, you know, that will work, you know. And big up yourself.
I'll put up and send the prayers to the
Of course, yeah.
So big up yourself in the team.
Alright then, blessed, dear Father. Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, so bless up guys. So everything goes guys, nothing but love alone. So yeah, right. So let's go see Damari now. Is it me and then we can go. Damari out man. Yeah, Damari out. I take for money right now. You can't take something for money too. How not get blessings if I not get blessings? So I'm never get it dead. Oh, never get it dead. Merry Christmas anyway. Merry Christmas. Good door. Damari. Yeah. Yes, yes. Force me see you out with it. I mean. Out. I'm getting big vehicle. I mean that. Get me there. Driver. Don't stop at all. Right now, I have to be careful of any of them methods if you big mess right now. Yeah. So you say you managed to go up and come down good?
Me?
You go up?
I make somebody push me up. Like when I drive up, somebody just push behind it.
Oh.
When I come out, them have to just somebody press them behind it.
You know when it happens? It's a shoot so high, then you can put on more down here. So see them place here? Then we started from here so. With a more high. To catch this so. You see me? From yesterday morning started from to catch right back to this one. Because there's a too high for him go up. So you see guys, it's too steep for him go up here. So they want to catch it from there and here. So I forgot box it up. I forgot box up.
So we never do the room and change the door. I make my boy do it.
So they put in any work on the room?
No. Remember me that they said the man that charged 40.
Yeah.
And me don't have 5. Me don't have 4 more drywall and 4 2 before. So me that leave my uncle pan him. My uncle that said me that be 2 before.
Yeah.
And we are Spanish town there.
Oh, we are Spanish town. You seem like you come out more man. You look fresh and thing. You look much healthier and thing right now.
Come on man. We just don't catch me at the right time.
Yeah.
Yeah
man. So
I'm out at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the
late. I never used to do that. Because you used to stay inside. Like me I say man, that's what the body really need, the fresh air to come out, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just not bad at him now.
No one I tell my boy, no one I tell pass smoke this up.
Yeah,
I think I tell me.
Just tell me,
yeah.
I want to pass up. Yeah.
I hate your need man to come out, you see me? Because I know you look fresh and look, yeah. You see me? You have your vehicle now, you think good. You just roll out, general. You just roll out, man. That's good, man. That's good to know. Can you first me say with it now? You see me? Never had a chance to see I go and move around.
I want you with me that car, you will tell you go and come. I just should never have nobody, man. My boy, you will ever help me. The water, in the day I work, you see me?
Oh, if you don't want to come up here, so?
Yeah, what do you want to tell that?
Yeah, a good look. Anyway, I have 2 donations.
We are daily play. Manners and respect, you know. Yeah, man. Daily, we are daily. Don't know, you know, you pick up yourself.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, man.
So I have 2 donations we can help with that situation then. You know, because they say they want 40 man they say, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you have the materials already.
Yeah.
Alright, so with this now we can kind of help out with the situation now. So I have isoline. So this now, as you say, you can get started with the work, man, and then you can get to do what you have. Yeah? So, we have isoline from the UK. It's $18,000 from isoline from the UK.
Isoline from the UK. Give thanks and I really appreciate it. I make you feel conversation. Thanks and 18,000. Thank you very much, you know.
This is from Isoline as well. And we have this is from Uno. From Tanya as well. But it's a $6,000 from Tanya. As well too. 6,000 from Tanya.
Tanya, give thanks, you know. Make your food basket and much, you know, and I very, very appreciate it, you know. Thanks for the $6,000.
And we want a donation. And this one we have Deliveries. You know, this is Deliveries from the US. Deliveries from the USA, right here. And this is 36,000 from Deliveries. 36,000 from Deliveries. Deliveries.
Deliveries. Give thanks. Very, very appreciate it. Much a lot. And may God bless you, make your food basket. Give thanks. Deliveries.
This county says 36,000 from Deliveries.
Deliveries, give thanks, you know, much love. I very appreciate it. I have said 36,000. Give thanks again. Okay?
Nah, here, man.
I said Deliveries, give thanks and I very appreciate it. Much love. Make your food basket empty. I receive 36,000. I give thanks from my heart, you know.
Yeah. So with that now, let me say, you can just start work now, so we can swag one, so them can see also say the work start as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna say don't done before the time, and the time is now. You know, so you can just get it moving.
Remember me that if you don't call you what you about, you know.
Pampers. Yeah, I'm not receive any yet, because I'm gonna pick it up from the warehouse yet, from the storage. So whenever I get them, we make it get some. Yeah. So go on to the right thing. Alright, so alright guys, so we give thanks to Deliveries. Thank you so much as well for doing it. And also Tanya as well for blessing Damari and Isoline as well too. You know, we thank you for the donation where you can help for the situation. Okay, he said the workman said 40,000. So with that you can also get the workman can get the job done as well. Where you can just use them, can use, so you guys can see when I get done, you know. So yeah man, so give thanks. So Damari, do the right thing so we can make the people them so I go on, yeah?
Extended family, big up. Big up for yourself. And much love, you know?
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.